Huwag mo yun. When sinabi, tilt the head backwards, that is to clear the airway. Esophagus nyo rito is, kasi pagka nakaganon ka, nakasara lang yan eh. So, ang hinga mo, hindi mabuti masyado, yung mahina ba? Para bumukaya ng gusto, one dito, isang kamay mo under the chin, and then isa dito sa forehead. Then slowly tilt the head backward. Okay, backward. Nabusog, sir. Nabusog ka eh. Sa tanan na unconscious, ikaw ang ano. Okay, that's the first step. The second step, place the arm at the side, other arm across the chest with the hand against the cheek. So, first step, raise that arm this way. Okay. Lumambot ka doon. Yung parang bagong salsal ba? So we can joke about it. Ngayon ito, the other hand, lift it. Put this way sa cheek. Right? So, ganyan. Huwag kang gumalaw. So that's the second step. Bring the far knee up to a 90-degree angle. 90. Wag muna. To 90 degrees. That's the third step. Fourth step is ito, ilagay mo dito sa may balakang niya, just under the buttocks. Kamay mo. Saan papunta yung paa mo? Naka 90 degree lang yan eh.
Kamay.
Ito, dyan. Then itong kamay mo, dito. Dyan. Then,
Ipagulong.
yeah, towards you. Towards yourself, no? Roll the person over towards you with the knee at an angle and ensure head is supported. So, since ito, supported na siya, yun, stretch out mo yung leg na nakatupi. Further pa konti. Ilagpas mo dun sa leg ng table.
Pabuka.
Diyan. Okay. That way. Ang reason behind that is para hindi siya malunod sa sarili niyang suka. Pinalabas niya. No? Okay, balik ulit. So that's one.